If you want to take your business to the next level, it is imperative that you focus on doing a few things incredibly well as get the entire organization aligned with your approach. In this video, we are going to teach you 5 things that you should focus on as get the entire organization aligned with you. First are your core values. We do not want your core values to be something on a piece of paper that is used for marketing purposes. We want to build it into the DNA of your organization. We want to teach you how to incorporate it into your hiring, your firing, and your promotions so that your core values actually mean something to you and your entire organization. Second is your target audience. We are going to help you, based on your budget, determine exactly who you should target so that your sales, marketing, innovation can be completely tied to that target audience. Third is your mission and vision. We do not want a generic mission and vision that means nothing to you. We want to make it completely personalized to your company. Additionally, we want to ensure that you're allocating budget so that every year you're making further progress on both your vision and your mission. Fourth is your niche. We want to make sure that you are not trying to offer everything to everybody. What we want to help you determine is what is that one thing that you can be the best in the world at.
John, you weren't focused until you were a sophomore in college.
Dad, you're embarrassing me. Fifth is your unique value proposition. We want to ensure that once we understand your target audience, that you have a true, unique differentiator that will separate you from your competition. By focusing on these 5 things, you are not only going to separate yourself from the competition, but you are going to spend your time and your resources substantially more effectively. And most importantly, you're going to grow at a much faster pace. So let's get growing.